Now I'm going to need a bigger desk here. Here's what's in the box. 2 batteries, a charger. I'll call this the power head. That's the actual chainsaw part. Bar is already installed. That's nice. I like that. This has a little tensioner on the side you can use without any tools. So if you need to loosen or tighten the chain or remove the chain, you just do it with your hand there. Really nice little setup there. You do want to have some bar oil on hand. You want to put some bar oil in this. The center extension pole, we're going to install this real quick. And then there we go. Then the mechanism itself for triggering it. So a little push button on the side and then hold that down to start the saw. I'm going to put it together real quick and I will go out and start sawing stuff. Let's do it. And that worked great. Thick branch. I like that you can change the angle of attack on this thing. There's a couple different detents in it. So overall, this thing seems to work pretty decent for what it is.